Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping OneDrive from syncing documents. Open the OneDrive cloud icon, then choose Settings. Once in Settings, go to the Backup tab and click Manage Backup. This is where Documents is controlled. You'll see Documents listed. Select Stop Backup for Documents. When prompted, confirm you want a stop protection. This prevents further automatic sync while leaving local files intact. Make sure to note where your local documents folder currently resides so you can relocate or back it up if needed. Once backup is stopped, handle the actual files. If you want documents removed from OneDrive and kept locally, open File Explorer and move the Documents folder from the OneDrive directory back to C, /users /your name /documents, or another folder of your choice. Alternatively, if you want to delete cloud copies, sign into the OneDrive website or use Selective Sync to remove the folder from the cloud. Just be careful. Deleting on the cloud can delete synced local copies unless you've moved them first. To finish, verify OneDrive no longer manages documents. Open Settings and check Backup. Documents should be unlisted. If you change the folder location, confirm Windows uses the new path. Once done, restart OneDrive to refresh sync status. If something goes wrong, missing files, or continued syncing, sign out and sign back in, or use the OneDrive Web Recycle bin to restore recently deleted items. If persistent, unlink this PC and relink after ensuring local files are correctly placed to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.